Hi everyone, welcome to our CNC Precision Parts quality control process. Quality is our top priority and we strictly implement a full process inspection system to ensure every part you receive meets your drawings and requirements. First, incoming material inspection. All raw materials are inspected for specifications, appearance, and quality. Only qualified materials are allowed to enter our production line, laying a solid foundation for high-quality products. There's the first article inspection. After the first part is produced, our inspectors use high-precision measuring tools like digital height gauges and calipers to conduct a full-size inspection. We verify dimensions, tolerances, surface finish, and key features. Confirm all parameters are correct, and only then start mass production.
All inspection data are carefully recorded. Then, in-process inspection, our team conducts regular random inspection every hour. We monitor the stability of CNC machines in real time, adjust the parameters promptly if any deviation is found, and record all inspection data. This strict process prevents batch unqualified products and ensures every part is consistent in quality. Final inspection for machined parts. If qualified, peel off the red slip. Keep the green slip on the basket. Plug defects and reprocess unqualified parts. Finally, packaging inspection. Before packaging, we clean each part, check again for any scratches or damages. Verify that the quantity and specifications fully match your order. We use shockproof and dust-proof packaging to protect the parts from damage during transportation, ensuring they reach you in perfect condition. From material incoming to packaging, every step is precise, vigorous, and traceable. We take quality serious so you can fully trust our products for your custom CNC precision needs.